beyond organic. What that means is, see, like you just heard mentioned, based on which organic agency you're going to, Tony was talking about, that you can shop around and find the agency that is going to certify your products organic, right? And they may look at what some pesticides, herbicides, kind of things that you use to spray on your crops, okay? And based on that, they might certify you. They do not test the soil that the product is grown in. They do not test the air that is around your crops, and your farm can be next to a freeway and get a lot of heavy metal and lead contamination because of all the fumes that are coming out of the cars. So they do not take any responsibility for that. And as long as you're not spraying your crops with those compounds, you're organic. Okay? So we could be getting raw materials that are certified organic by some institution and still test high in lead and heavy metals and things like that. So what we do is we test every incoming raw material for not just those few things, but our long list of 200 that I mentioned for Salmon Oil Plus yesterday. But in fact, I'll just quickly share with you, once, this is becoming a business, a marketing and a business thing than anything else. And we've been approached by several organizations, USP, NSF, there's so many, consumer labs, there's so many out there, and they say, we will test your product, and if it tests up to our standard, you can put our seal on your product. So, we said, okay, well, let's see what they have to offer. So we said, okay, what are you going to test for? And they said, here's our list. And everybody gave their list to us. And then we looked at their list and compared it to our list that we test our product for. And their list stops right here. Ours goes all the way to the ground there. And we said, okay, so you want us to stoop to your standards, your levels, and pay you money for that to get your seal on our product? No, thank you. So, but that's what I'm saying is a lot of things may not be as visible to you, but the reason why we are going beyond organic is we are not that we are averse to organic. We do take a look at organic ingredients as well, only if they test up to GNLD Scientific Advisory Board standards for the ingredient first, and then after the processing for the final product as well, finished product. So we stand behind our finished product that does not have any of these harmful compounds, and that is why I say it's beyond organic.